What's going on?
How you doing?
Just getting this last minute on video before we head out tomorrow. When are they going to shut the power off to that?
I don't know.
That can't be good.
No, it ain't. It ain't.
That's not. That just can't be good. Yeah, I'm going to get some video of these fish and everything else coming across the road.
Man, they had them coming across there earlier this morning.
Yeah.
Where y'all at Gulfport, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm down there too.
Where at?
Right north of Bay St. Louis, up in Case.
Okay. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Good deal. Yeah, they sent us down here because I guess they figured hurricanes and water and flood and casinos and everything else we're familiar with. So.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna go down here and get these fish on video. I ain't gonna drive all the way through there, but.
I hear you.
All right, I'm gonna step out of the truck and get this stuff on video real quick. I don't know who he was. Some old contractor-looking guy in fatigues and stuff. Yep. Oh, there's a snake right there. Hold on. That was his phone. That was his phone. Hold on. Now these alligator guards are they're swimming like right up to the there's hundreds of them. These alligator guards, there's hundreds of them all over the road. Good thing these boots are waterproof. They're issued 511 SWAT boots. No, they don't come up past your, once it gets above the sock line, yeah, you're gonna get soaking wet. They're waterproof up till then. Like right now I can feel the cold water, but I'm not getting wet. I can feel the coolness of it, but I'm not getting wet. The whole road is gone.